There are some days when you just do not feel like spending much time in the kitchen, but at the same time, if you are craving for some comfort food, then this recipe is the right one for you. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. All we need are potatoes and red lentils. I have taken red small potatoes which I have cut into halves, and red lentils that I have rinsed thoroughly and drained out all the water. Pot on medium heat, oil. Allow the oil to heat up, but it should not be smoking hot. Here are the whole spices that we need. Cumin seeds. Then this is panch foron, which is very commonly used in Bengali cooking. It consists of these 5 types of seeds. I have a video on how to make panch foron. I have given the link to that video in the description box. We also need a dried bay leaf and a dried red chili, the seeds of which I have taken out. All of them go in the hot oil. Toast them for a few seconds, making sure they don't burn. If you don't want to make panch foron, then you can use only cumin seeds. But guys, I am requesting you to please try it out once. It gives such a wonderful flavor to any curry that you won't even imagine. Next, the potatoes enter the pot. Fry the potatoes on medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add grated ginger. And as soon as the ginger enters the pot, there will be some splattering. So stir on medium-low heat for a few seconds. Next, it's time for the spice powders, turmeric powder and red chili powder. And then the red lentils. Stir everything on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 4 cups of hot water. Give a brief mix so that no lentils stick to the bottom of the pan. As soon as it comes up to a boil, add salt. And then cover it on low heat and let it simmer away. From time to time, uncover and stir. As you can now see, my lentils have started to break down, but they haven't yet turned smooth. Add a little more of hot water if you feel it's getting thick. I also like adding a little bit of sugar at this point. Now guys, if you're following any Indian lentil recipe, the lentils are cooked till they disappear and become smooth. We like our dals to be of a smooth consistency, especially if you're making red or yellow lentils. As you can see, you cannot make out the lentils now. They have all disappeared and have all combined into one smooth gorgeousness. Do a taste test at this point. I felt it needed a sprinkle of salt. The potatoes have turned tender as well. Next, I like adding some frozen green peas. It is totally optional. And if you would like to add fresh green peas, then add them in between the cooking process, as fresh ones take longer time to cook. I even added some whole green chilies. Adding them whole like this won't make the curry too hot, but you will get only its flavor. And of course I added coriander leaves. Pick out the bay leaves as their job is done. And finally, I love adding tomato. I like them adding at the end, as I love to see those large slices of tomato swimming in the dal. And after adding the tomatoes, just boil it for a minute or 2, as you do not want them to fall apart. I like this kind of consistency, and guys, remember that it will thicken up more once it cools down, so leave it a little bit runny. Now what do you think? The dal looks absolutely delicious, doesn't it? And the panch foron gives such a beautiful flavor that you won't even imagine unless you make this. Each seed from those 5 types of seeds gives out its own unique flavor and takes this humble dal to that ultimate level of yumminess. This tastes best with roti, or you can even have it with toasted bread. Please smash that like button and help this video reach out to more people. Bye bye.